Today we're going to be reviewing lawnmower blades compatible with country clippers. Here's what's in the bag. They always come very well packed. Here are the blades. Blades are always very well made. You can see them here. Put down here so you can see one. Here's the blade. You can see it. See the curves, the thickness, cutting, angle. So you get three of them. They're compatible with country clippers. You have to check on the listing. The size are 21 inches by 2.5 inches by 1/5, and the hole is half inch. So you have to check in the listing for which lawnmower these are the replacement for. What I can tell you, for the price, you're getting a deal. There's three of them. They are highly made, grade steel. They don't rust. These blades are very precise. They're made out of the specification for the country clippers. They have rust protection durability, so you know they're not gonna get rusted in a long time. They don't get dull with heavy use. They're made out of XHT steel, which is harder than regular steel. So for the pricing, you're getting a deal. If you're looking for a replacement for your country clipper, check on the listing all the models that this are the replacement for, and get you some. Definitely a steal for the price. So I definitely recommend it. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.